Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel Chapter 3 and on Excel 3 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Apply the chart style 5 to the bar charts in the 2024 to 2025 sheets and close the chart style to gallery. So select the charts and go to the chart design tabs. Click the chart style. Chart style is chart style 5. Click OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the attendance data sheets. So go to the attendance data worksheets and select the column charts and then change the data source to the attendance data A4 to A11 attendance data C4 to F11 and select the column charts and go to the chart design tabs and click the select the data attendance A4 to A11 and C4 to C11. So click the edit chart data source and attendance data in A4 to A11 A4 to A11 and type the comma and next is type the attendance data attendance data attendance data to C4 to F11 C4 to F11 and click OK. So, change the data source to attendance data A4 to A11 4 to A11 and next is attendance data C4 to F11 and click OK. Next is with the column chart selected, switch the row and column and click the switch the row and column. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is insert the column sparkline in the range G5 to G11 using the B5 to F11. So G5 to G11, press enter, select the range and using the insert the column sparkline B5 to B11. So go to the insert tabs and go to the sparkline and click the column and G5 to G11 and B5 to B11 and click OK. Next is show the low point on the sparkline. Click the low point on the sparkline and apply the red sparkline style dark 3 G5 to G11. So select the red sparkline style dark 3 click OK and next is modify the vertical axis of the sparkle so that minimum and maximum value option both set same for all same time. So click the axis and same for all time and next is Same for vertical axis minimum maximum value option, click the same for all time. So assignment is done, and click submit the assignments and check the scores. So check the score is Excel chapter 3 hand-on exercise 3 simulation exam is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.